Hello, I'm Rob.
And I'm Matt. We are here from Healthe to share the unboxing and setup of our Healthe solutions.
Our mission at Healthy Lighting is to provide a safer, more productive, and healthier environment for all. This is a demo of how to install and use your Healthe entry, which uses UVC 222 to protect any entrance. When the box arrives, it will come with 3 major components that are pre-assembled. At or near the desired installation location, unpack all components and verify the contents against the packing list. Set the 2 side frame assembly at 35.5 inches distance apart. Set the top assembly on the top of the 2 side frame assemblies. Connect all electrical connections by attaching all corresponding quick connectors between top frame assembly and the 2 side frame assemblies. Fasten top frame assembly and side frame assemblies with 1/4 inch 20 by 3/4 inch security head screws. Connect each of the corner motion control assemblies on each side of the frame using the corresponding connector. Fasten the 2 corner motion control assembly with the number 6 32 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Plug in the 3-prong plug into the power outlet. Locate the 2 power control switches on the side frame assembly. Switch 1 is located just above the power cord, and switch 2 is located just below the power cord. Adjust switch 1 to desired control operation to activate the entry. For switch 2, located below the power cable, please ensure the switch is always on the bottom position at all times. Any other position will cause the entry not to properly function. While the entry is designed to be freestanding, anchor holes are available on the base of each side frame assembly and can be used to secure the entry to the ground using 1/4 inch fasteners. Your Healthe entry is ready for use. Now you have your Healthe entry to sanitize people's clothes and personal belongings at any entrance.